And welcome back to Man's Garage. We're outside today. It's a beautiful day, blue sky, wispy white clouds. The Neo 2, this craft just had an update a little while ago. It gave us slow motion highlight and helix close-up. To me, they're kind of useless. I don't want to see anybody's butt when I do a circle around them a meter away. They only work in the phone app, DJI Fly. They do not work if you have an RC2 controller or connected to the N3 controller. What good are they? And it's a Neo 2. Unless you're doing high production stuff where you post editing and doing B-roll and all this kind of stuff, they're just fun little gimmicky things. No more than you get in a Walmart drone. I don't get it. I don't know why DJI is wasting their time doing this stuff. I don't know. There's more important things to do, more really good things they could be doing. But let's get into this. Okay, so let's go backwards. Okay. And what they did do, they did make the sticks a little better, the virtual sticks better. So we're just going to go back here. Okay. Here we go. I'm just going backwards a little bit. I'm not following or anything. We're just going to go back here to have a look. Okay. And we're going to go this way. There we go. And we're going to go this way. There we are. Okay. So if I go into here, I have to stop this video. And we're going to go into the helix 1 meter, 1.5, and 2 meter. And I'll show you that. Now this is the helix 2 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, and it's going around me, and that's what the helix does. It just goes around and looks at your butt and then comes back to where it started from. That's what it does. And it comes back in the beginning and stops. Let's do the next one. This is the 1.5 meter one, and I'm going to move around with it, and I see it twitching. I don't know why it twitches, and it just goes round to the bottom, around it goes, and then it comes back up again. I think I'd rather have it do the other way around. What do I know? That's pretty close. Now we're doing the 1 meter, and it's scary when it's coming around you there. Let's have a look, see where it goes. There it's going, and it comes back again.
Return to home.
What do you mean obstacle detected? Okay, well. This is the 1 meter one. We have to start it again because it said obstacle detected. That was just me. I don't know. So I'm following it around this time.
Return to home.
Obstacle detected. I don't know. So let's come over here. I'll be in the middle here. And we start the 1 meter one again. Get a little glitchy, it's moving around. This is the third one, and it's bouncing around. I've had it say obstacle detected.
Return to home.
We'll try it again. Fourth time lucky. I'm not going to move. There it goes. Not going to move.
Return to home.
No. time lucky. This is the 1 meter one. It doesn't, I'm not going to move. I don't know what it's going to do. Is it going to come around? It made it. How about that? Amazing. Awesome. Okay, good stuff. Okay, now we're going to do the push me, pull you thing, and we're going to go pull back and down. Let's see what happens. Pull back and down, and let's see what happens. You ready to stop it? Let's just pull back and down. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Comes back again. Let's try the dolly out. Start. It's the dolly out one. And that's what it does. Okay. And we're going to do the, what's this one? Push in and up. Start. Push in and up. So it starts far and comes close. Okie dokie. And the last one is a dolly in. Bump. Hasn't started yet. Here it comes. Dolly in. It's supposed to be slow motion. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, and we're going to go to manual. Start the video. Okay, I started the video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come forward. We're going to come this way, okay, up a bit. Got the manual sticks here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop that video, go to follow, okay, and I'm going to go in front, low, medium, boom, start. Okay, that should start the video. It's coming to me front. There you go. Okay, we'll go higher. There it goes. You've got to walk to, there we go. Okay, now come and follow me. There we go. We're just going to back up a bit. We're backing up. It's doing a jerky thing, but anyway, it should be pretty good. It's going up and down, up and down. Well, this is the whole thing. What are we doing back here? Okay, it's coming. It's coming. It may be having some obstacle interference, but anyway, let's stop it there. We should be pretty good on the battery for a little bit. There we go. Okay, this is the Neo 2. It's an amazing little craft, does tons of things. It's fantastic for traveling and stuff like that. But all this stuff about this helix close-up stuff, I have no idea why they spent the money doing that, researching that. I'd much rather have this have a waypoint mission, even a small one, because then you just set it and go, and it goes around and comes back around your campsite, around where you're fishing or whatever. It'd be amazing, and you really don't have to worry about it banging into anything. But again, that's just my opinion, and a lot of people, whatever. Okay.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Coming to home. That's all I got. See you later. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, put my hand out, and we're going to stop. See you later.
Returning to Palm. Landing. Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Thank you. Well, there you go. Okay. The Neo 2. It's an amazing craft. I really like it. I really do. Okay. Take care.